Alright, so this is going to be a 99 Ranch Market item review of these Khong orange cream biscuits. Alright, so price of this, $2.99. Let's go ahead and take a look. Artificially flavored. Best before September 28th, 2024. Net weight, 200 grams, 7.5 ounces. This has a cancer warning label on it. Alright, and you can see manufactured by the company. There's the UPC code. Hey, this isn't for you. And let's go ahead and open this up. Flip this over. Here are the nutrition facts. Alright, 7 servings per container. Serving size is 3 pieces, 150 calories per serving. Total fat, 7 grams, 9%. Saturated fat, 4 grams, 20%. Trans fat, none. No cholesterol. Sodium, 100 milligrams, 4%. There's 20 grams of carbs, 7%, 7 grams of sugar, and includes 6 grams added sugar, 12%, 1 gram of protein. We also have 0.4 milligrams of iron, 2%, potassium, 30 milligrams, 0%. That's the daily value. Give me a second. Alright, let's see here. Okay, so I guess they had to translate it, so they put this on top, but it looks like it's English there. I don't know why they covered it. Orange cream, 200 grams. Ingredients, wheat flour, vegetable fat, and vegetable oil, palm oil, sugar, dextrose, monohydrate, leavening, ammonium bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, milk fat, salt, whole milk powder, artificial food flavors, orange flavor, butter flavor, maple, vanilla powder flavor, yeast, citric acid, colored with turmeric and annatto, sodium metabisulfite as a preservative. Allergy warning, contains wheat, milk, and sulfites. If you're allergic to those, then yeah. Product manufactured in a facility that also processes product containing peanuts, soy, and eggs. And there you go. Let's open this and give them a try. Guess I'm not going to open this way. It's not going to open that way. We're going to have to tear this. Owen, what are you doing? Stop it. Okay. Helicopter. That's not a helicopter. Okay, let's open this. And that's what they look like. Want to try one or just a bite? Can you eat the whole thing?
I'm gonna eat the cream first, just like an Oreo.
So let me show the whole cracker. It has their brand name on there, and it looks like that.
And this is what it looks like, the cream. Ooh.
Cream? How is it?
Smells like
what it
orange.
looks like.
Tastes like an orange. I wonder if I can make a huge stack, stack of cream.
Tasty. Here you can see best before September 28th.
It's gonna be like
2024.
Oh, that's next.
It's December 1st, so yeah. You get pretty much 10 months. Or is that 11 months? Because it's only December 1st. So that's pretty much it. Give these a try. Really good. Bye. Sorry, I forgot to tell you guys how it tasted. It's sweet. Okay, bye. It tastes orangey.
Very crispy.
Very crispy.
Milky.
Yeah.
And it's
so it's
sweet.
a very nice flavor and texture.
Goodbye. Make sure to like.
What
and
is
subscribe.
a thing that people eat that they can compare it to that's very common?
I don't know.
It's kind of like a more crispy Ritz cracker, like a little bit extra crispy.
If you think
terrible.
that's the answer,
Yeah.
type Y.
It's the buttery, crispy flakiness, just a little more
If you think
harder crunch.
If you think it's true,
What would you compare it to?
If you think it's true,
You don't know?
then type on the comment
Okay.
and say Y.
If you
or
find
yes.
these and you've tried them, let us know if you think my whatever is accurate. Or if you know something that's closer.
Please
Alright, see you guys later. What?
See you guys later. Time to remember to like and subscribe and comment.
And watch my review channel. This is my repair channel. Actually, you might be on my review channel. Alright, bye.